Yo guys, we are back again in Everything Gizmos. Today we are going to unbox the brand new Redmi Note 4. Yes guys, it's the brand new Redmi Note 4. So let's start our video. And guys, do you know? It has 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM, 13 megapixel rear camera. So let's start the unboxing video. It will take some time. So guys, it's the box of new Redmi Note 4 and here are some descriptions. You can see the descriptions written over here. So let's check the phone. Yeah guys, it's the phone, the brand new Redmi Note 4. There's the fingerprint sensor. You can check the phone out. It's 5.5 inches and it is full HD display. Here's the manual guide. Here's the plug and lightning cable. And here's the pin to open the SIM slot. So let's start the phone. MI. You can check some description on the mi.com. You can check it. Written over here. So guys, check the display, man. Check the display. So first we are checking the fingerprint. So let's set the fingerprint lock. So let's set up a pin. Now we will add a fingerprint. Now we are ready. Let's check its sensing speed. It's super fast guys, it's super fast. And now let's check the camera quality of the phone. You can check the photograph. Check the clarity, man. So thanks guys for watching our video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.